Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to use the gradient tool in Photoshop to create smooth color fades. First, open your image or create a new document in Photoshop. Now, look at the left toolbar. Click the gradient tool. It looks like a rectangle fading from light to dark. Next, look at the top options bar. Choose a gradient preset. For example, black to transparent for overlays. Now choose the gradient style. Linear creates a straight fade. Radial creates a circular fade. Important step: create a new layer before applying the gradient. This keeps your edit non-destructive. Now, click and drag across the canvas. The direction controls the fade. The length controls the softness. Gradients add depth and focus. They guide the viewer's eye. If it's too strong, lower the layer opacity. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.